Okay guys, we've got an Apollo water heater that's been having problems for years. Multiple technicians had come out, taken a look at the situation, but had never fixed it. So what we have here, which some of you should already know, is improper combustion. When you see heavy carbon like that, that is usually, especially on an open flame source like this, that is usually number one telltale is, if you'll see, no fresh air. Now, if you look at the floor, you'll see a path that was leading right down to the door, to the bottom of the door, right through here. The only small amount of fresh air was that. Now, the main issue was not just the fresh air, but it was also somebody had installed this cap off center, so you get flue gases filling the room, removing the oxygen from the room. Only a very, very small space. We actually had the flames traveling from here out the door. So we are going to be adding
hey, how you doing? Hey.
We're going to be adding the fresh air as required, and we'll show you that when we're finished.